it's me, Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury. And today we're going to focus on the lips because I want to get glossy with you. Ready? Let's begin. Alright, so with any great lip gloss, you need a great lip pencil. So for all of these looks, I'm going to be using my MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. I love this because especially if you're using a gloss that does not have a lot of pigment or is very light in pigment, you want something to kind of bring it out and really showcase it in a great light. Especially for us brown girls, we need a little bit of help in that area. So that's why I love to line them with either my MAC Chestnut Liner, which I'm going to be using today, or the cork liner. And if you don't have any of those, go to your nearest drugstore and go reach for one of the brown lip liners from any of your favorite drugstore brands. You can certainly use those here as well. So before we begin any lip treatments or any glosses, we want to treat our lips really nice. So for that, I'm going to be using a little bit of my Fresh Lip Moisturizer, and this is in Caramel. It really helps hydrate the lips, keep them moist, and especially as we're moving into a new season in a couple of weeks, we want to make sure that we treat our lips really nicely. So now that they're properly moisturized and hydrated, we're going to go in with our chestnut liner and just line the lips. Really easy peasy. And now that we have them lined, I'm going to start off with some of my favorite glosses that I'm going to be rocking this coming spring. So first and foremost, I really am loving all things rose gold, as you know. And this, when I first saw it, I really love this gloss. It is in partnership with ColourPop and Makeup Shayla. This is Neat Freak, her gloss, which is more like a champagne rose gold color. But I love it. I love to layer it, and I also love to wear it on its own. So this is Neat Freak. Very nice, very subtle, but it gives you a really nice glossy shine to your lips. And those reflects of gold and silver that are in here, and you can really see the gold. It really shines up and turns up on your lips really nicely, and so that's why I really love this look. So that is Neat Freak. The next one I'm going to debut for you guys is if you want to take that rose gold just a notch higher and get something that's really pigmented in that rose gold. This is also by ColourPop. This time they partnered with Ellery, and this is Stilo. And again, what I love about this one versus the other one is that you really do see that rose gold pigment pop out a lot more in this version. This is perfect for us brown girls who want that little bit of hint of pink but still want to keep that base of brown with not only the liner but in our lip product as well, because this is actually kind of like the best of both worlds in that you do get a little hint of brown here, and I can actually use this without a lip liner, which is another reason why I love it. But again, you can layer this on top of any lipstick, or if you want to just use it as a gloss on its own, you see it stands on its own as well very nicely, and that's why I love this color. And again, The color is called Stilo. The next gloss I'm going to be using is by Fenty Beauty. This one is called Bilingual, and it really stood out to me because it's real like a metallic orange shade. And then when you put it on, it's almost like a cosmic look to it. So you see and hear a lot of reflex of like a magenta pink. It has that orange reflex in it, a little gold to it. This is perfect if you want to punch up a nice summer outfit or spring look. This, I think, would be a great addition to that kind of outfit with vibrant colors, because it has some color to it, but it's muted enough so that your outfit does all the talking for you and your lips just gloss and shine and does what it needs to do. It is really a great lip gloss. It's not sticky. It's not heavy on the lips either. It really is very comfortable to wear. I love this color, and again, this is Bilingual and it's from Fenty Beauty. The next one I'm going to show you is really out there, guys. This takes the lip gloss to a whole other level. This is by Dose of Colors. This is the Desi times Katie collaboration with Dose of Colors, and this is Over the Top. And I will tell you, I love this lip gloss. Okay, again, heavy reflex of gold on this one. And if you are very sensitive to like glitter on your lips, I would not recommend this, because you can feel a little bit of that graininess of the particles of the reflex here onto your lips. But the shine and the gloss, and it's really very comfortable to wear as well. It is fantastic. I love layering this over a nude or a sort of pinky beige lip color, and then putting this on top. It just takes my lip gloss to another level, and it just enhances that lipstick that I use and just pluses it right on up. I really love this. And I actually bought another tube because I knew I was going to like rock this throughout the summer and the spring. So I bought another one just in case. That's Over the Top by Dose of Colors. The last two that I'm going to feature here are both by the mother, Miss Pat McGrath herself. And I have to tell you, I am late on to the Pat McGrath bandwagon, but I am so glad I am on it now. These two shades are my all-time favorite, and I discovered them as minis and then promptly hunted them down because I need the full size. These are my go-tos for the spring. The first one I'm going to share with you is Flesh number 4. I love this gloss. It has a very faint smell to it. So if you are sensitive to smells, something to be aware of. But what I love about this is that it gives you gloss, but it also gives you flesh. It really enhances your lips and makes them really enticing to look at, and it's really nice to focus on as well. And if you're doing any kind of look, but especially if you're doing a metallic look or if you're doing a smoky eye, you want a lip gloss that can really hold its own against those really prominent eye looks. And that's why I love this lip gloss and the next one that I'm going to show you, because it really does stand out on its own, but it does complement any other kind of eye look you may want to do. So this is Flesh number 4 by Pat McGrath. The final lip gloss, again by Pat McGrath, is called Flesh Fantasy. This is a pinky nude shade that really, when I first put it on, I was like looking in the mirror like, oh my God, I cannot believe how good my lips look. It just really, for me, because my lips are kind of pinky already, it just took my lips to another level. And then I actually put this on alone. So then I layered it afterwards with my MAC chestnut liner, and I was just in love. So again, this look holds its own with any kind of eye look that you want to do, whether it is a smoky look, whether it's a natural look, whether it is a metallic look, whatever you're doing. If you want just a nice nude, rosy colored, pinky nudie lip color, and you want a gloss, I tell you, go reach for that Flesh Fantasy by Pat McGrath. This lip color you will not be dissatisfied with. It rocks hard. I love it. I definitely will be rocking this all spring and into the summer as well. This is my look. And I can't let you guys go without honorable mention to the mother that started it off with me loving lip gloss again, and that is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This is her original version. I know she has 2 other versions out there, but there's nothing like the original, and for me, this stands the test of time. You can use this as a layering lip gloss, or you can use this as its own lip gloss. This is perfect. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and tap that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload. And until we see each other again, deuces.